Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix your account is no longer eligible for live on Instagram. Okay, let's start. First you go to Instagram account. Click on plus icon. Click on live. Now see your problem is here. This is problem. Now solve your problem. At first go to your Play Store and check update your Instagram. Search Instagram. My Instagram is already updated. Okay, let's open it. Click on your profile icon. Now see, here is my followers. Then click on plus icon. Click on live. Your account is no longer eligible for live. We change requirement to use this feature. Only published account with 1000 followers or more will be able to create live videos. Now, if you remember, you have to make 1000 followers, then you go to live on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.